So that you go to enjoy your work. Let's say battery. If they use computer steady, and then you go say battery, they're very important. I did tell you. So. Yeah, well done. You're going back to school when? Okay. Next week, Saturday. It's still far. So which level now are you entering? So,
Good evening, sir.
yeah, Mona, how are you? Yeah, Mona, I've been waiting. Let's do it immediately. Okay.
Okay.
So, Mona, tell me, what other subjects are you doing in school? Let me get them down.
English and verbal listening.
Yeah. How many minutes?
Like 10 minutes.
Yeah, and I'm using the internet. Once you call, I need to take it. So, stop it. It's the data that I'm using. Just wait when I finish. I'm gonna mention the courses, subjects. Let me.
Sorry, sir, what did you say?
I say you help me with the subjects that you're doing in school.
So we also do social studies, civic, verbal reasoning, spelling, literacy. And that's all.
I just wrote social studies, civic, and spelling. Which other ones?
English.
English. Verbal reasoning. Hold on.
I'm not feeling too well.
You said?
I'm not feeling too well.
Okay, you're not feeling too well.
That's all.
Sorry. Do we do the class tomorrow?
No, you can continue.
Okay. I'll continue, but I'll make it very short, okay?
Thank you, sir.
Are you doing anything like science, basic science, or?
Yes, but we are finished with we have finished our books on science. Basic science.
You finished what?
Our books on science.
Okay. So let's continue. I saw the assignment you did the last time. Good. Okay, so let's start. I'm not going to ask you too many questions since you're not feeling fine. I'll just be explaining and be going. That you don't talk much and stress yourself. Okay, so we're on question number 20 already. Was it 25? I think it's 25. Yeah, it's 25. Okay, let's look at this question number 26. A car traveled from Minna to Abuja covering 160 kilometers in 2 hours. Find the average speed. Okay, speed is normally distance over time. So the distance there is 160 and the time is 2 hours. So you simply say 160 divided by 2. Mona, are you aware of that? Speed is distance over time. Okay, so it's this one is well explained. Average speed is simply distance over time, and distance is 160, time is 2 hours. So and it's 160 divided by 2 is 80. So that makes option E the right answer. So whenever you're asked a question concerning speed, always know that speed is simply equal to distance over time taken. So you are given the time that the distance it covered, which is 160, and the time is 2 hours. So it's simply 80 kilometers. Let's move forward. Okay, the next question says if 2x minus 8 is equal to 0, find the value of x. So simply make x the subject of the formula. Take everything on one side, take it to the other side of the equal to sign, leaving only s. So this is minus 8. If minus 8 is going over to this side, it becomes plus 8. So that's why we have 2x equal to plus 8. So make s the subject of the formula. X is equal to 8 over 2, which is 4. Okay, so let's move forward. Obi runs a distance of 400 meters in 40 seconds. What is the average speed? So you can see that this is similar to the other one. Speed is always equal to distance covered over time. So here, distance covered is 400, time is 40 seconds. So you have 400 over 40 seconds. It becomes 10 meters per second. So that becomes your answer. So take note, anywhere you see speed, speed is equal to distance over time. Now, how many kobo can you get in D Naira? How many kobo can you get in D Naira? So I'm going to write this one. Okay, 100 kobo gives you 1 Naira. So D Naira is going to give us how many kobo? You use cross multiply. I'm going to, let me pick out the annotation so that we'll do it better. So we have, they asked, how many kobo can you get in D Naira? So how many kobo can you get in D Naira? 1 Naira. 1 Naira is equal to 100 kobo. Now D Naira is now equal to X kobo. So you cross multiply and make X the subject of the formula. So it becomes D naira times 100 all over 1. So when you cross multiply, x becomes equal to this times this, which is what? D 100 all over what is here? 1. Anything over 1 is that, and so D 100 or 100D, that becomes the answer. That's why E is the answer. Okay, let's move forward. Muna, I hope I'm not moving too fast. I just want to move very fast so that I can finish, so that you can rest. But I hope I'm explaining it very well. Okay, let's move to question number 30. Calculate the area of a parallelogram with the base 10 cm and height 7 cm. Now, if the base is 10 cm and height is 7 cm, then we have that area of parallelogram simply the base times height, which is equal to 70 cm. Now, the perimeter of a rectangle with the length 10 and breadth 5 is, perimeter of a rectangle is normally 2 times the length plus 2 times the breadth. So 2 times the length, 2 times 10, 2 times the breadth, 2 times 5, you add up. 2 times 10 is 20, 2 times 5 is 10, 10 plus 20 is 30 cm. Then 32. If an orange costs X naira, how much will, if one orange, an orange simply means one orange, cost X naira, how much will Y oranges cost? If an orange costs X naira, then Y oranges will cost X times Y, making it XY naira. So if one is costing, just one orange is costing X naira, so Y oranges will cost how many? So let's say one orange is costing 10 naira. So 20 oranges is going to cost how many? So it's going to be 20 times 10. And that's why we have XY naira. Here we have if an orange, okay, that's what. If an orange costs X and Y oranges cost, okay. If an orange costs X naira, then Y orange will cost X times. Okay, this is the solution to that. Now the sum of X and X plus 1 is what? The sum of X and X plus 1. So let me use our notation and sort this out. So I want to know the sum of X plus X plus 1. So you collect like terms. X plus X is simply 2X. Then we have plus 1. So it should be 2X plus 1. And that's why we have this as the answer. Okay, let's move forward. Mona, are you there? Your mic is on mute if you want to talk so that I can hear you. Mona, are you there? Mona. Mona, your mic is on mute. Are you there? Okay, Mona is not feeling fine. I don't know. I'm not gonna continue for so long, or I wanted to get to 35 before I stop. Okay, so I'm gonna stop here. So that I'm gonna guess well and joins back. Yeah, let me stop here and move forward later. Okay.